My name is Gloria. I've been in Tulum for more than 4 years and it's been so amazing. I come from Mexico City from being a lawyer and living in the city, and I decided to change my life and move into nature and find what's accurate for me, what fills my heart. And I've been teaching yoga for more than 3 years, and I'm currently going into meditation and breathwork. And recently I've been doing these workshops from earth to soul, connecting with the elements and how to feel them and embody them, and how through the elements you can get to know yourself more, get to know your authentic self, connecting with what's true in here. Connecting with the elements for me is a tool to stay grounded as the earth, but also learning how to flow in life with water and finding my own power, my own strength, the fire, this spark of life, and ether or space, the mind, the intuition. So it's been such a wonderful journey, and I can't wait to share this with all of you. What has been super useful for me is to always be grateful for everything that happens, like really connecting gratitude. Take a deep breath, expand that gratitude, and know that we can always see everything as an opportunity to grow.